Yeah, 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 yeah. Royalty ready. Pick up my phone, pick up my phone. But when you down and out, who can you call on? Who can you call on? When you down and out, who can you call on? I swear these drugs got me so gone. Pick up my phone, pick up my phone. But when you down and out, who can you call on? Who can you call on? Who can you call on?
And I don't care about the fame, just trying to make it out. I don't understand what the hate's about. All the days we went without, all the pain I held inside, all the tears I already cried, stuck on this roller coaster ride, all the demons that I hide. I just want positive vibes. Father, forgive me while I try to make it home. Don't wanna be known, just wanna be all alone. And I ain't gotta be a king, cause God, you been had the throne. Without you, I'm nothing, I owe you at all. Right with my dogs, whether they right or wrong, they steady throwing stones. I'm just trying to get my people out the struggle, then this problem solved. Why this war revolves?
Pick up my phone, pick up my phone. But when you down and out, who can you call on? Who can you call on? When you down and out, who can you call on?
Pick up my phone and ain't nobody in my call log. I feel like they wanna see me fall off. I'm antisocial, I don't talk just to talk. Trying to find a way to make it out. Going up, now we getting clout. Had to go and get on that cash route.